This is the EMBERS dashboard that displays the alerts our system generates, and for each alert is able to show an audit trail of how the alert came about. Here we are visualizing forecasts of currency events for different Latin American countries. We will begin by demonstrating the overall layout of the dashboard and then show some specific examples. Here is one of our developers, Nathan, who will give us a demonstration of the EMBERS dashboard. The top right pane is the master pane, which displays the list of forecasted events. The displays of all the other panes are controlled by this display. The left top pane shows a schematic diagram of the data sources and the model used for this forecasting. Both bottom panes show details about this selected event. On the left are time series graphs of two of the data sources, and on the right are the news articles used for this event. Now we will look at each pane in detail, starting with the master pane. The master pane shows all the events that have been forecasted in a table. The table shows the date each event was generated, the date for which it is forecasted, country, currency type, and whether the currency will go up or down as compared to the US dollar. Each column of the table is sortable. On the right of the pane, there are two calendars which can be used to filter events based on selected dates. The top calendar shows the start date, and the bottom calendar shows the end date, which is used for filtering. Selecting different dates dynamically updates the table. Now we will choose an alert to demonstrate how the EMBERS dashboard can visualize an audit trail. The top left pane shows how data from different sources combine to generate an alert. In this case, data from Brazilian stock market, past exchange rates, and country-specific news from Bloomberg are combined to make a forecast. The bottom left pane shows Financial Times series data for Brazil. The top left graph shows the Brazilian stock exchange values for the last 15 days. The graph below that shows the standard deviation of the Brazilian stock exchange values. To the right are graphs for the currency exchange rate against the US dollar. On the top are values for the last 15 days. Below that is the graph for standard deviation. The dial at the bottom forecasts whether the currency will appreciate or depreciate as compared to the US dollar. The right pane lists news articles from Bloomberg used by the model to make the forecast. Selecting an article loads it on the right. The user can use touch scrolling to navigate through the article. The list of articles can be sorted, and selecting different articles updates the news pane. Our model is robust enough to make forecasts even if there are no news sources available. Let's look at an example. For this event for Costa Rica, there are no news articles, but our model can still use the past stock and currency values to forecast currency value changes. Here, the model is forecasting that the Costa Rican colon will depreciate as compared to the US dollar. That's how we visualize currency forecasts using the EMBERS dashboard. We hope this video was informative. Thank you.